Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Walmart Scan and Go. This convenient feature allows you to scan items directly with your smartphone as you shop, completely bypassing the traditional checkout lines. It's designed to save you valuable time and make your shopping experience more efficient. Plus, you can easily keep track of your spending in real time, ensuring you stay within your budget. Let's dive into the simple steps to get started with this fantastic tool. To begin, first download the official Walmart app onto your smartphone from your preferred app store. Once installed, either create a new Walmart account or simply log in if you already have one. Next, navigate to the Scan and Go feature, which is typically prominently displayed on the app's home screen or within the Services section. Before you start shopping, make sure your preferred payment method is securely linked to your account for a seamless and quick checkout process. Once you're ready to shop, open the Scan and Go feature within the app. Use your phone's camera to scan the barcode of each item you wish to purchase. For fresh produce, you'll either enter the 4-digit PLU code or select the item from a convenient on-screen list. You have full control to add or remove items from your virtual cart at any point. The app continuously updates your running total, providing a clear overview of your spending. When your shopping is complete, simply tap the checkout button within the Scan and Go app. Take a moment to review your entire order and confirm your chosen payment method. The app will then generate a digital receipt along with a unique QR code for your purchase. Finally, proceed to a self-checkout kiosk or a dedicated Scan and Go station. Scan the QR code, and you're all set. It's a quick and efficient way to finish your shopping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.